9 amazing health benefits of avocados you need to know. Hey health enthusiasts, ready to discover why this creamy, delicious fruit should be a staple in your diet? Avocados are more than just a tasty addition to your toast. They're a nutriental powerhouse packed with benefits for your entire body. Get ready to boost your health from your head to your toes, just by adding more avocado to your meals. Why avocados are a superfood? Nutrient-dense powerhouse. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients like magnesium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin E, and folate. They truly are a powerhouse of nutrition. Heart health champion. Keep your heart happy. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and potassium, which can help lower bad cholesterol, or LDL, and support healthy blood pressure. Gut health hero. Say hello to a happy gut. Just one avocado can provide about 14 grams of fiber, nearly half of your daily recommended value. This high fiber content aids digestion and significantly improves gut health. Eye protection. Protect your precious eyesight. Avocados contain powerful antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin, which shield your eyes and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Radiant skin and strong hair. Looking for natural beauty boosters? The healthy fats and vitamin E in avocados help keep your skin supple and youthful, while also making your hair shiny and reducing dryness and inflammation. Aids weight management. If you're looking to maintain a healthy body weight, avocados can help. The fiber and healthy fats promote a feeling of fullness, which can help reduce overeating and support healthy weight control. Stable blood sugar. Don't worry about blood sugar spikes. Avocados are low in carbs and high in healthy fats and fiber, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce insulin spikes. Brain booster. Want to keep your brain sharp? This amazing fruit is rich in omega-9 fatty acids and B vitamins, which support cognitive function and may even help protect against memory decline. Great for pregnancy and breastfeeding. For women, avocados are especially beneficial during pregnancy due to their high folate content. They also provide vital nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and B6, which are essential during breastfeeding. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating more avocados into your diet and experience these incredible health benefits for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and hit that notification bell. Let us know in the comments how you like to eat your avocados.